Top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors: stronger and healthier muscles. Tired of waking up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps? Or struggling with muscle stiffness that makes moving around a challenge? Good news! The right foods can relax your muscles, improve circulation and stop cramps before they start. In today's video, we are revealing the top 3 superfoods that help seniors stay cramp-free, keep muscles strong, and maintain better mobility. So, stick around because you don't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we get started, I would love to know where you are joining me from today. Drop a comment below. And feel free to ask any questions you have, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a health-boosting tip from this channel. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a powerhouse of essential nutrients that play a crucial role in preventing leg cramps in seniors. Leg cramps, often characterized by sudden and involuntary muscle contractions, are a common issue among older adults due to age-related muscle loss, nutritional deficiencies, dehydration, and circulatory problems. Eggs provide a well-rounded nutritional profile that directly contributes to muscle health, nerve function, and overall well-being, making them a valuable addition to a senior's diet for preventing leg cramps. One of the key reasons eggs help in reducing leg cramps is their high-quality protein content. Protein is essential for muscle repair, strength, and function, which are critical in preventing muscle spasms. Seniors often experience muscle deterioration due to aging, and consuming adequate protein from sources like eggs helps maintain muscle integrity and reduces the risk of cramping. Additionally, eggs are rich in essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which play vital roles in muscle function. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and nerve signals, preventing muscle contractions that cause cramps. Magnesium is crucial for muscle relaxation, and a deficiency can lead to frequent cramps. Calcium, another important mineral found in eggs, aids in proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Many seniors struggle with absorbing these minerals due to age-related metabolic changes, making eggs an efficient and accessible source of these vital nutrients. Eggs are also an excellent source of vitamin D, which is crucial for calcium absorption and muscle function. Many seniors suffer from vitamin D deficiency due to reduced sun exposure and aging-related declines in vitamin D synthesis. Low vitamin D levels can lead to muscle weakness and cramps, making eggs a valuable dietary choice for maintaining adequate levels of this essential vitamin. Furthermore, eggs contain B-complex vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve health and muscle coordination. Vitamin B12 deficiency is common among seniors, especially those with digestive issues or on medications that hinder nutrient absorption. Since nerve dysfunction can contribute to muscle cramps, consuming B12-rich foods like eggs helps maintain proper nerve signaling and muscle function. Hydration also plays a significant role in preventing leg cramps, and eggs contribute to overall hydration by providing electrolytes like sodium and potassium. Electrolyte imbalances, particularly in older adults who may not consume enough fluids, can lead to cramping. Including eggs in the diet helps maintain electrolyte balance, reducing the likelihood of dehydration-related cramps. Moreover, eggs are a highly bioavailable and easily digestible food source, making them ideal for seniors who may struggle with digestion or have dietary restrictions. Unlike certain supplements that may cause gastrointestinal discomfort, eggs provide a natural and efficient way to obtain essential nutrients without adverse effects. Incorporating eggs into a balanced diet, alongside proper hydration, regular exercise, and stretching, can significantly reduce the occurrence of leg cramps in seniors. Their rich nutrient profile supports muscle health, nerve function, and overall well-being, making them a simple yet effective dietary choice. With their versatility and affordability, eggs serve as an accessible superfood that contributes to a cramp-free and active lifestyle for seniors. Certain seniors may need to adjust their egg intake based on health conditions. Seniors with kidney disease may need to limit protein intake. Consult a doctor. Those who with high cholesterol can eat egg whites instead of whole eggs. Diabetics should pair eggs with fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains for better blood sugar control. So, next time you prepare breakfast, consider adding an egg to the plate. 2. Banana. Bananas are a powerhouse of essential nutrients, playing a crucial role in preventing leg cramps, particularly among seniors. As people age, they become more susceptible to muscle cramps due to factors such as reduced physical activity, poor circulation, dehydration, and deficiencies in vital minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Bananas are rich in these nutrients, making them an effective natural remedy to alleviate and prevent painful leg cramps in the elderly. One of the main reasons bananas are so beneficial for preventing leg cramps is their high potassium content. Potassium is an essential electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve function. A deficiency in potassium, known as hyperkalemia, can lead to muscle weakness, spasms, and cramps, which are common complaints among seniors. Since bananas are a natural and easily digestible source of potassium, consuming them regularly helps maintain optimal electrolyte balance and supports proper muscle function. In addition to potassium, bananas contain magnesium, another crucial mineral that aids in muscle relaxation and prevents involuntary contractions. Magnesium deficiency is linked to muscle tightness and spasms, and seniors are often at a higher risk of deficiency due to factors like poor dietary intake, medication use, or decreased absorption. By incorporating bananas into their diet, older adults can boost their magnesium levels and reduce the occurrence of painful leg cramps. Bananas also provide a good amount of vitamin B6, which plays a role in nerve function and muscle health. This vitamin helps regulate neurotransmitters involved in muscle movement and relaxation. Low levels of vitamin B6 can contribute to muscle fatigue and discomfort, increasing the likelihood of leg cramps. Regular consumption of bananas ensures a steady supply of this important vitamin, promoting overall muscle health in seniors. Another factor that makes bananas an excellent choice for preventing leg cramps is their ability to aid hydration. Dehydration is a common cause of muscle cramps, especially in older adults who may not consume enough fluids throughout the day. The high water content in bananas, combined with their electrolytes, helps maintain proper hydration levels, reducing the risk of muscle cramping caused by dehydration. Moreover, bananas are a natural source of carbohydrates, providing sustained energy that helps seniors stay active. Physical activity is essential for maintaining good circulation and preventing muscle stiffness, both of which can contribute to cramps. Bananas offer a quick and easily digestible energy source, making them an ideal snack before or after light exercise to support muscle function and recovery. Unlike processed foods or artificial supplements, bananas are a convenient, affordable, and natural way to combat muscle cramps. They do not have side effects, making them a safe option for seniors who may be on multiple medications. Eating a banana a day, especially in combination with other potassium-rich foods such as spinach, avocados, and nuts, can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of leg cramps. Bananas play a vital role in preventing leg cramps in seniors by providing essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, aiding hydration and promoting overall muscle health. Their natural composition makes them a simple yet powerful dietary addition to help older adults maintain muscle function and prevent discomfort. One banana per day provides enough potassium and magnesium to support muscle health. Since bananas are high in natural sugars, seniors with diabetes should consume them in moderation alongside fiber-rich foods to avoid blood sugar spikes. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds play a crucial role in preventing leg cramps in seniors, by providing essential nutrients that support muscle function, nerve signaling, and overall circulation. As people age, they become more susceptible to muscle cramps due to factors such as nutrient deficiencies, reduced circulation, and age-related muscle deterioration. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods like nuts and seeds into the diet can significantly reduce the frequency and intensity of leg cramps, enhancing mobility and overall quality of life. One of the primary reasons nuts and seeds help prevent leg cramps in seniors is their high magnesium content. Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a key role in muscle relaxation and nerve function. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to involuntary muscle contractions and cramps. Almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are excellent sources of magnesium, helping to maintain proper muscle function. Many seniors do not get enough magnesium from their diet, leading to muscle stiffness and nighttime leg cramps. Consuming a small handful of magnesium-rich nuts and seeds daily can provide the necessary amount of this essential mineral. Another key nutrient found in nuts and seeds that helps prevent leg cramps is potassium. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve signals. An imbalance in potassium levels can lead to muscle weakness and cramps. Seniors are particularly at risk of potassium deficiency due to reduced kidney function, medication use, and lower dietary intake. Nuts like pistachios and walnuts, along with seeds such as flax seeds and chia seeds, are excellent sources of potassium. Regular consumption of these foods can help maintain balanced electrolyte levels, reducing the likelihood of muscle cramps. Calcium also plays a significant role in muscle contractions and relaxation. A deficiency in calcium can cause muscles to contract involuntarily, leading to painful cramps. Seniors are at a higher risk of calcium deficiency due to decreased absorption and lower dietary intake. Almonds and sesame seeds are rich in calcium and can help prevent muscle cramps by ensuring that muscles contract and relax properly. Including these calcium-rich nuts and seeds in the diet supports strong bones and reduces the risk of osteoporosis, which is another common concern among seniors. In addition to magnesium, potassium, and calcium, nuts and seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Poor circulation can contribute to leg cramps, as muscles do not receive adequate oxygen and nutrients. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote blood flow and prevent stiffness in the muscles. Improved circulation ensures that muscles receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen to function efficiently, reducing the occurrence of cramps. Vitamin E, another important nutrient found in nuts and seeds, also plays a role in muscle health. This antioxidant helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress, which can cause muscle weakness and cramping. Nuts such as almonds and hazelnuts, as well as seeds like sunflower seeds, are rich in vitamin E, providing additional support for muscle function and recovery. Another advantage of consuming nuts and seeds is their high content of B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12. These vitamins are essential for nerve function and muscle coordination. A deficiency in B vitamins can lead to nerve-related issues, increasing the likelihood of leg cramps and muscle fatigue. Nuts like peanuts and walnuts, as well as seeds such as sunflower seeds, contain significant amounts of B vitamins, supporting overall muscle and nerve health. Hydration also plays a crucial role in preventing leg cramps, and nuts and seeds contribute to maintaining fluid balance in the body. They contain natural electrolytes that help retain water, preventing dehydration-related muscle cramps. Seniors often experience dehydration due to decreased thirst sensation, making it important to consume foods that help retain hydration. Incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into the diet can significantly reduce leg cramps in seniors, by providing essential nutrients that support muscle function, nerve health, and circulation. Regular consumption of magnesium-rich almonds, potassium-packed pistachios, calcium-rich sesame seeds, and omega-3-rich flax seeds ensures that muscles remain healthy and function optimally. Along with a balanced diet and adequate hydration, nuts and seeds serve as natural remedies to prevent muscle cramps, enhance mobility, and improve overall well-being in seniors. While nuts and seeds offer many benefits, there are few considerations. Overeating of nuts can lead to weight gain, so portion control is important. Salted or processed nuts can contribute to dehydration, increasing cramp risk. Some people may have nut allergies, so alternative sources should be considered. Nuts and seeds are fiber-rich, which may cause bloating or discomfort in seniors with sensitive digestion. Choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted nuts and eat in moderation to enjoy maximum muscle health benefits without side effects. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, it really helps us bringing you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions or what topic you would like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay healthy and see you in the next video.